Hey guys, and welcome to day 5 of the Rising Baller Ball Mastery program. Please let me know down in the comments, how are you enjoying this program? It's the first ever program I've ever created, so please let me know. I would really muchly appreciate your feedback down in the comments. Roll the ball with the sole of one foot across the body and then trap the ball with the sole of your opposite foot that is behind the standing leg. With the sole of your foot, drag it towards the outside of your standing leg and pivot 90 degrees to push the ball away with the same foot. Pull the ball backwards with your sole and then with the inside of the same foot transfer it to your opposite foot and push it forwards, then roll it across your body. During the second set, repeat the motion by starting with your opposite foot. Imitate a shooting motion with your foot and then cut it across your body with the inside of the same foot. When performing the apex, it's important to realize that you're working your right side when you start with your left foot, and vice versa for your left side. Begin the apex for your right side by doing the Brazilian trap, trapping the ball with your right foot. Keep your trapped foot on the ball and pivot left 180 degrees. With your right foot still on the ball, do the reverse L drag and then the L drag. Catch the ball with the sole of your left foot and perform the V cut exchange. And this is how you do the apex with your left side.